Brush. What's up with YouTube? Whether you are new here or not, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can tell by the title in the video, today we're going to be vlogging. So for today, I will be braiding Myers' hair. I did do his hair yesterday for a doctor's appointment, and I put in some pigtails, and they cute, but I want to see him in some braids. His hair is actually kind of long. It just shrinks up really bad. I know not to braid it mad tight. Okay, he is 6 months. I feel like 6 months is a safe age to start doing hair. Plus, his hair be looking crazy, y'all. Like, it be looking so crazy. And we're going to Texas tomorrow. So I want his hair to be done. And I don't want to be, like, having to deal with his hair every day. And so, yeah, I'm just going to be doing his hair in a second, actually. But when he wake up from a nap, because it's time for his morning nap. And I'm also going to be detailing my car today. And that's all I have planned for today. But we'll see where the day takes us. Okay. And did y'all peep that new intro? How y'all feeling it? I really like the new intro. Like, it's so cute. I rebranded last night at like 3 to 5 o'clock in the morning. No, I'm lying. 2 to 4 o'clock in the morning, I was rebranding. So hopefully you like it. But that was like a while ago. But I have pre-recorded like 2 future videos. So yeah, those won't have intros because I've already uploaded them to YouTube. They're just scheduled to post way later. So, you know, they won't have it. It's try-on hauls for the springtime. I didn't like it. Oh, they're just putting shit on.
Back and park my car behind y'all, beside y'all house.
Wow.
Go home.
All right, y'all, we back home. Me and Mama was matching, but he done messed up his outfit, so we gonna have to wear this again on another day and take pictures, cause we was cute. But we back home. He's sleepy. He actually got woken up from a nap and didn't want to go back to sleep. And my sister and them was going out to eat, so I was like, well, might as well go with them. But they was like leaving, so I had to rush and get ready. That's why I didn't do like no get ready me nothing. And I ain't do my edges, makeup, or nothing. So I don't even like going out like that. Y'all can't see me. My phone done fell. Y'all see him? Why you let my hair go? Thank you. So he finna go to sleep, take a nap, and then when he wake up, I'm doing his hair.
And get it, and get it, go. You look so handsome, Stanky. Woo, Marlon.
Alright, y'all, so I just dropped my hair off with this granny. I'm finna go vacuum out my car.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. In a pretty middle, but this life shit ain't no bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.
Hey, it's like 12:48. I fell asleep, put my ear to sleep, but he peed all over me when I was changing his pamper, but I finally got him back down. Now I'm finna pack our clothes to go to Texas tomorrow morning because I have not packed. Oh, I gotta pee. Alright, y'all, so looking at the weather, we're gonna be there for half of tomorrow and half of Sunday. It's gonna be it's gonna feel kind of warm Sunday. So he's gonna wear these on Sunday and some jeans tomorrow. I might wear one of these since we'll be traveling. Depends on what shirt I find. I actually just gonna pick both of them. 2 outfits per day. These are the bottoms. I don't want to wear shorts yet because my legs are crazy. So I'm gonna wear jeans. So I'm gonna randomly select 2 pair of mom jeans and some cute shirts. And for his shirts, for the shorts, it said it was gonna feel hotter, so I'm gonna put a short sleeve shirt, something simple. So this. I really want him comfortable for travel, so he might wear this. It comes with the hat, and it'll be windy tomorrow too. This Calvin Klein. So this is his fit for tomorrow. This and this. That's what I will pack for tomorrow. I like this one. And then for Sunday, I'm gonna pack these 2 Los Angeles, California with these instead of these jeans. For Sunday, I was kind of feeling this shirt with one of those pair of jeans. This, y'all, is basically a bra, but these are high waist, so it cancels out. I think I'm gonna go with this, with one of these, since it'll be like kind of windy for tomorrow. Yeah, one time, I'm a new me. And yeah, nah, you're not gonna do too much. I ain't gonna say too much. Body language. Yeah, he done forgot his bunny. Look and keep the kid do it. And get the lotion. It's on the right. It's lined up.
You cute, don't you?
Huh?
I think you cute, don't you?
And you're ready. Gotta put on. My ear. Really?
Is it gonna close? Is it gonna close again?
Victory today is mine. Oh, Mama, can we take a picture in front of your car? Take us a picture, Mama. I'll let you take the camera. Stop, boy, let me do your hair.
Why'd you choose 30?
So we can go through town. I just finished redoing his hair while nursing him. We're at the gas station right now getting some food.
I'm on the stage right now. Swear to God, you're amazing. Blessings are coming down on me.
First time. To your family today.
Blame away from the league and toward players. Everyone's in bonds and
It's big.
A French counterpart.
A college professor told the committee that he's lived in the U.S.
Giving you those feelings that you had here.
You got guacamole all over your shirt.
Just say some guys at work. She called me when I was trying to.
Uh-oh.
Wait till he get in good conversation. She be like, "Be there." Okay. Nasty.
That's another one I got to get. I just hate scrolling through all these pictures.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
Severe turbulence is when things are
Hey, what you kicking me for? Huh?
They not. Thank you so much, though. You finna call and tell him about himself. Well, he got his wear out of this.
They feel like they have to give their opinion on stuff. They have to give their opinion on everything. Tell them, she told them I have to talk to y'all. We just came out. You know what?
First, I could even try. Yeah, I mean, these guys are
That is funny. This was a waste of money.
steak with mashed potatoes and asparagus. No? No? Okay.
You see yourself acting a fool. Huh? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Do something.
How long will it take y'all to get ready?
Jaya. How long it gonna take you? Oh no. Good morning. Let me get ready. Oh, your little pigtails sticking out.
Stay in this new apartment. Can't get no neck sugar. I got on lipstick. Yeah, oh shit. Come on. Come on. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? That boy is so green. No, you can't get out.
nigga trying to get out.
I must have took my glasses out in the car. I can't see nothing.
What you mean? You don't know how to make your screen bigger?
And it's
Can you see that?
Shit, I don't think I can eat all this. Michael Jackson. Yeah, come on.
Oh, her chest ain't out, mama.
And her blouse, this she had to
Chest
put
not
her,
out, her shoulders is out.
well, her chest is cut low. She had to put her coat on now. That's why she cold. That Earl.
That's cute.
So ain't this the museum we went
I
to?
think that is possible.
Come on. Okay, tell them we'll just meet at the place then. Are you?
Mama. Mama. My ear.
It's totally 38.84.
Time to get your stuff.
I was finna say that she ain't gonna wait till we leave.
That's why I told you get on this side.
Tits, hun. So much shopping. That alone frustrates me. Somebody open the door for us. That'd be fancy.
Wednesday at 8 a.m.
Oh, baby, that's alone. I hope I got the dressing room. Wait, I just put on 5 minutes.
I think we will.
You like that one?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you get it tailored? Oh, look at that DV. Can't you get it tailored? Mama, my ear. My ear. Look.
What's this for? Fill it up. You just put that and then fill out the
What number?
That's what I did.
Hey.
I was about to say, no, that's not.
Oh, it's people in back.
Oh.
Okay. But this, you ain't gotta be cute. I'm just vlogging what I'm doing. Oh, she's talking about her different dress. Because the one that you showed me the number, I thought was great.
Oh, no, that's the one with the short thing right there.
And this is the mesh for you? Okay. Right now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, red doesn't look that bad.
Wait, I think red your color.
And that's weird. I thought red wasn't. I thought
Savannah said she likes it with your hair.
Thank you.
You need to borrow some for the top. I got plenty of hair for you put in the top.
Go give me some.
Give you a couple of cups. I gotta do the cups. That's what my God is.
Yay. Next one. We found some, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, let me see.
A radical contribution.
Alright, y'all, it's like 3 days later. I tried to vlog the whole week, but I ran out of storage, so I had to delete it. But y'all, I have a sinus infection. I'm so sick. I don't feel good at all. I have a booked weekend ahead of me. It was supposed to be my self-care weekend, but it's not. Y'all, I'm tired, but I wanted to close out this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. God bless. Mwah.